All right, before we start, deep breath in up, arms up, and start nice and slow, knees forward and back. Keep your spine nice and tall. And remember to arch here. Keep this nice and tall, spine nice and tall, so you can give some space here. We're just gonna start with the slow shimmies and we're gonna speed it up. Forward and back. Okay, now once you relax, make sure you breathe through this. Breathe normally. Don't hold your belly, because once you start jiggling, I want you to jiggle. Let all that flesh go all over the place and jiggle like Jello. Get ready. Bring your knees forward and back as much as you can. Fast, fast. Shake it. Relax your jaw. Again, they're connected, so the more this is relaxed too. And it can shimmy more. Let's go. The moment you start feeling tension in your lower back, go back to slow. Okay, just knees going forward and back. Shimmy. Okay, now let's go a bit slow. Bring your right foot forward just a little bit. Alternate your knees forward and back. And go a bit faster. So we're going to keep going forward and back with the knees, but you're also going to shift your body towards the front and back. Front. Now, once you feel your belly button going all over the place, and back to the center. Now let's do the same thing. Let's bring our left foot forward and bring your body front and back. And nice and slow. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Breathe in. Reach up, 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 and relax the arms. And shimmy. A bit faster. Smile so you can relax that jaw. All right, keep the shimmy. You're gonna put the weight all on your left and just bring your right heel up. A little bit more advanced for those of you. You could go back to slow, modify it, then now both feet. And now let's bring your left foot up, heel up, all the way down the right. Keep the shimmy on one leg. And both. All right, bend the knees both together. Good job. Excellent. Bend, bend. Deep breath in up. And reach, and reach, and reach. Excellent. Good, just stretch it out. So again, if you do this 3-4 times during the day, just shimmy yourself out when you're feeling low. Just kind of shake everything out and then kind of feel that energy coming up. when you're doing the shimmies, your cells kind of just want to kind of wakey wakey. All right, enjoy your day.